Good morning, class. Today, we will use our new classroom tablet to build a robot.
Wow, that looks amazing! I cannot wait to start building our robot today, Nia.
Me too, Finn. This is going to be the most fun science lesson ever.
I am setting the tablet right here so everyone can see the instructions clearly.
Oh, excuse me, students. I need to take this important call outside for one moment. Please stay in your seats and be very careful while I am away for a minute.
I will quickly grab some colored markers from the shelf for our group project.
Oops, sorry. I just bumped into the desk, but everything looks fine.
Wait, look at the tablet stand. It is wobbling back and forth right now.
Oh no! The tablet is slipping off the desk! Someone catch it fast!
Oh my goodness! I was just standing here, I did not touch it. Look over there. Finn was standing right next to the desk. Finn broke it.
Did Finn really drop the new tablet? He was the only one standing right there.
No, please listen to me. I swear I did not even touch the table.
What was that loud noise? What happened to our brand new classroom tablet? Finn, Athopdo Drakthais, you are standing right here. Can you tell me what happened to it?
Mrs. Carter, I was just getting markers. I did not knock it down, I promise.
He is just making excuses. Everyone saw him standing right beside the teacher's desk. Finn, honesty is very important in our class. You need to take responsibility now.
But I am telling the truth. Nobody believes me, even though I did nothing wrong.
It is time for recess now, class. Everyone, please head outside to the playground.
Finn, because you were careless, you must stay inside and lose your recess today. Look, Finn has to stay inside. He got in big trouble for breaking the tablet.
This is so unfair. I feel so embarrassed and sad when everyone blames me.
Finn looks so sad. I know he is honest, so I should help him find the truth. Hey, Finn, do not cry. I believe you, and we can find out what really happened.
Thank you, Nia. You are a true friend for trusting me when no one else does.
Let us examine the tablet stand closely to see why it fell off the table.
Look at this plastic stand. One of the main screws is completely loose and missing.
See this screw? It was already broken before the tablet ever fell to the floor.
Wow, you are right. The stand was unsafe. That is why the tablet slipped off.
Mrs. Carter, please look at this stand. A screw was loose before class started today.
Let me see. You are right. This screw is completely loose and missing a piece. Let me check the photos I took yesterday afternoon of our new setup to be sure.
Look at yesterday's photo. The plastic stand was already leaning awkwardly to one side.
Oh my goodness. The stand was already damaged before anyone entered the room today.
Mrs. Carter, I need to tell you something.
I accidentally bumped the desk earlier today.
I did not mean to, but my backpack hit the table and made the stand shake.
Thank you for telling the truth. Now we know exactly why the tablet fell down.
Attention, students. Please return to your desks immediately. We have an important announcement.
What is happening? Why is Mrs. Carter calling us back inside from recess early?
Class, I made a mistake. Finn did not break the tablet. The stand was already broken.
Oh no! Finn was innocent all along! We yelled at him without knowing the truth.
Finn, I am deeply sorry for accusing you and taking away your recess time unfairly.
It is okay, Mrs. Carter. I am just really glad that the truth came out today.
Finn, I am so sorry I pointed at you and yelled. I should not have blamed you. I forgive you. Next time, let us check the facts before blaming anyone for accidents.
Yay for Finn! Thank you, Nia, for being a great detective and helping our friend.
Finn, you showed great honesty and patience today. You deserve this special star sticker. Ring. The school day is finished. Everyone, please pack your bags and go home safely.
Today was crazy, but I am so happy we solved the mystery together, Nia.
That is what friends are for. Always stay calm and stand up for what is right.
Look, my parents are waiting over by the school gate. Let us go meet them.
Hi, Finn. How was your science class today? Did you build the cool new robot?
Something unexpected happened today, Dad. The new tablet fell and broke into pieces.
Oh dear. Are you okay, Finn? Did anyone get hurt when the tablet fell down?
Nobody was hurt, but at first, everyone blamed me for breaking it when I didn't.
That must have felt very hard and scary. How did you handle the situation, son?
I stayed calm, and my smart friend Nia noticed that the stand was already broken. I am so proud of you for staying truthful and calm, Finn. You acted very maturely.
You showed true courage today, Finn. Honesty and patience are always the best choices.
Bye, Finn. See you tomorrow at school. Great job staying brave and honest today.
Goodbye, Nia. Thank you again for being such an amazing and thoughtful friend today.
Let us go home now and make your favorite healthy snack to celebrate your bravery.
You handled a difficult moment like a champion today, Finn. We are very proud.
Welcome home, everyone. Let us wash our hands and sit together at the table. Here is some fresh fruit for our brave hero who always chooses to tell the truth.
Delicious. Thank you, Mom. This is the best afternoon snack ever.
Since you missed building the robot at school, let us design one together right now.
Look, Dad. My robot has supervision that can find missing screws instantly.
That is a very smart robot. It would be very helpful in science class.
Remember, Finn, when things get hard, speaking the truth will always shine through clearly.
I learned today that quick judgments hurt people, but truth and patience bring peace.
You have a wonderful heart, Finn. Always keep being kind, honest, and brave every day. Now let us finish setting the table for dinner together as a happy family.
I am always happy to help. Helping my family is my favorite thing to do.
Let us enjoy this delicious dinner together. Today turned out to be a great day.
The end. Always choose honesty, kindness, and understanding in everything you do every day.
Always tell the truth, stay patient, and never judge others without seeing the real evidence.